Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Asman Ashfaq YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine wherever you are in the world. And today I wanted to talk on a topic which is not chosen or people do not talk often on this topic, which is expressing gratitude towards your wife, acknowledging her efforts, and understanding the importance she holds in your life. Now, why I think that you should understand these things and acknowledge. The reason is one of the great signs of Allah is He has made husband and wife, and this is one of the important relationship, and it completes the entire deen. If you're unmarried, your deen is half. The other half, or it gets completed when you are married. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he had many wives, and we all know from the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he was best, he was compassionate, he was kind amongst his wives. Now, he expressed gratitude too. He acknowledged the efforts of his wives too. And he also taught us that how we should behave with our wives. I have one wife, so if you have many, I'll tell you something which I observe. My wife wakes up at the Fajr time, she prays, she reads Quran, and after that, serving the breakfast to entire family, she has to clean the entire house. She starts cleaning. After cleaning, she has to, again, the Aisha will wake up, my daughter, takes her to the bathroom, she changes the cloth, then she has another tension. What? She has to cook the food. फिर वो खाना बनाने लग जाती है. She has to keep one more thing in her mind that नमक ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. After cooking the food, again आयशा को थोड़ा सा लाना धुलाना, फिर वो जितने कचरे कर देती है पूरा सा कुछ घस देती है, फिर उसके बाद उसके खिलौने वगैरह इधर पड़े रहते हैं. She is keeping the entire house in order. She has not slept since she woke up at Fajr time. उसके बाद दोपहर हो जाती है, खाना पीना खाने के बाद शी टेक्स रेस्ट फॉर सम टाइम, बट अगेन जैसे ही असर का टाइम होता है, शी हैज़ टू अगेन प्रिपेयर टी फॉर एवरी वन फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइम. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट थोड़ी देर में मगरिब हो जाती है, एंड शी हैज़ टू स्टार्ट कुकिंग द डिनर. आफ्टर कुकिंग द डिनर, उसको फिर से आयशा को सुलाना है, फिर उसको भी खिलाना पिलाना है, फिर बाद में ऐसे करते करते 11 बज जाते हैं, 11:30 बज जाता है, 12 बज जाता है, देन शी स्लीप्स. रिमेंबर, हम लोग जब अपने ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, वी हैव सपोर्ट स्टाफ, मैनेजर, ऑपरेशंस मैनेजर. हाउ मेनी पीपल डू वी हैव हियर इन आवर हाउस? ओनली वन, वाइफ. What she is doing the entire thing of the staff, support staff, manager, operations manager, deputy manager, everything. And how much rest she is taking. In my entire 7 years of marriage, उसने कभी ये नहीं बोला कि मतलब मैं आज ये काम नहीं करूँगी, मैं आज खाना नहीं बनाऊँगी, मैं आज ये नहीं करूँगी. She is keeping the entire house in order, whether she is sick, whether she is in good health, whether she is in bad health, whether her mood is upset, whether her mood is good, it does not matter. She has to keep the house in order. Can you do that? At least I understand it's her work, ये उसका काम है, but again she is doing it for you. Have you ever acknowledged? Remember the hadith, whoever does not thank people has not thanked Allah. So that's why I say you thank many people. बाहर जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा किसी ने कुछ कर दिया, you say thank you. बीवी इतना सब कुछ कर रही है in the entire 24 hours of circle. What do? At least express the gratitude. उसके ऊपर क्या कर सकते हो आप? After saying thank you to your wife, you can gift her, you can make her understand that indeed she is one of the best companion in your life. That's it, and we'll meet again in another video. And if you think something else, or if you want to give any feedback, you can indeed do that in the comment section. And bye for now. Assalamu alaikum.